Hello everybody out there in calculus land. This is Mr. Muscarella coming at you, and today we're going to take a look at the squeeze theorem. Now the squeeze theorem is sometimes called the sandwich lemma or the sandwich theorem in different textbooks. So just so you know, it all means the same thing. Now here we go right into our first example, and this is a very common example that you'll see in a lot of mathematics textbooks. So we've got to find the limit as x approaches 0 of x cosine of 1 over x. And if we use direct substitution, this does not work. So we are going to have to use a different technique to find the limit of this function. Now, one of the things that you should remember from your days of trigonometry is that the cosine function oscillates between -1 and 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite that function cosine of 1 over x. We're going to sandwich that in between these values, -1 and 1. Now in order to get it to look like what's after the limit as x approaches 0 piece, I need to multiply everything through by an x. That way my middle function is going to look like my similar function of what I'm taking the limit of. Now the next thing I'm going to do, the third step, is we're going to go ahead and take the limit of the outsides as well as the limit as x approaches 0 of x cosine 1 over x. Here, what we're going to do for our fourth step, we're just going to evaluate each one of the outside pieces. The limit as x approaches 0 of -x is 0, and the limit of x approaches 0 of positive x is also 0. So that'll give us this piece right here. Now since we've got 0 out on the outsides, our function x cosine 1 over x, when we're taking the limit of that as x approaches 0, it's sandwiched in between 0 and 0. Well, there is no number between 0 and 0. So we've got to say some cool math stuff. And the cool math stuff that we say is just this. By the squeeze theorem, the limit as x approaches 0 of x cosine 1 over x equals 0. And that's it. That's all you got to do. So thank you. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.